In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a sprint in Jira. First, open Jira in your browser. I'm assuming you're already logged in, so you should land on your main dashboard. This is your starting point, where you can see recent activity and shortcuts to your work. Next, go to the top navigation bar and click Projects. From the drop-down list, select the Scrum project you want to run the sprint in. Make sure you choose the correct project, since each project has its own backlog and sprint schedule. Once you're inside the project, click Backlog near the top. This is where you prepare sprint work before it begins. Before you can start anything, confirm that you already have a sprint created, and that the sprint contains at least one issue. If a sprint is empty, Jira won't have anything to run, and your team won't see any work move into an active sprint. When you're ready, find the sprint you want to begin in the backlog view. In the sprint header, click the Start Sprint button. This opens a pop-up where you set the sprint details. In the dialog, enter a sprint name, or keep the default name Jira provides. Using a consistent naming pattern, like including dates or a sprint number, can make reporting easier later. Now set the duration using the drop-down menu, for example, 2 weeks. After that, choose the start date and the end date using the calendar pickers. These dates control the sprint timeline and help Jira calculate progress and reporting like burn-down charts, so it's worth double-checking them before you confirm. Next, enter the sprint goal in the same pop-up window. This is a short statement describing what the team intends to achieve during the sprint. Keep it clear and outcome-focused so everyone understands the purpose of the sprint at a glance. Finally, click the Start button in the bottom right corner of the dialog. Once it starts, you'll see the sprint reflected in your account as the current, active sprint, and your team can begin working from the active sprint view. That's it. Go ahead and try it now. You've successfully started a sprint in Jira. Congratulations.